Hi, this is Jordan from Squats and Science, and I'm going to show you how to do a workout with OpenBarbell. So the first thing you want to do is go to your settings and log in. You can see I'm already logged into my account here. It's just my Gmail account, and OpenBarbell will sync all your data to your drive. Then you want to connect to your OpenBarbell device. You can see here I'm already connected to OpenBarbell 6666. We have another video on our YouTube about how to do that, how to connect to an OpenBarbell device. Now I go to my workout tab and I want to start my workout. So I do a rep. And first thing you'll do is you'll see a bunch of data here. So in the middle, in big numbers encircled in red, are our set metrics. We have another video where we talked about set metrics. You can see that in our YouTube channel. Below, you'll see our rep metrics. Average velocity, peak height, range of motion, duration. All those we have a lot of information about on our website, squatsandscience.com. Now at the top, you'll see that green line moving across the set. That's our end set timer. And you'll see when it ends, it creates a new set for me automatically. That took 30 seconds. If you go to settings, you can see it's adjustable. So it's set to 30 seconds. You can change it to 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes. And basically what that means is there's no way I'm going to take 30 seconds between reps. So I set it to 30 seconds. Now OpenBarbell knows if I haven't seen activity in 30 seconds, I'm going to assume you're currently resting. So now I want to go back into that set, and every time I collect data, I want to log exactly what it was. So for me, that was, let's say, a fake squat. And the weight, it's in pounds right now. If you want to change that by default to kilos, you can go here and change it to kilos. And I'm going to put, let's say 225. RPE, let's put in, another fake number, 8 RPE, and let's go into tags, and we want to put in tags. Again, I'll put in fake. Now, there's a few settings here I want to go over. So the first thing, let's say exercise name. You'll notice a bunch of examples, and if you've been using the app, what the autofill does, what the autofill suggestions do, is if you've done an exercise at least twice, it'll go into your autofill. Otherwise, it'll just be the ones that we precede for you, and that way you can just go down and choose automatically, and it's nice and quick. But I'm going to go back and make sure I log accurately. Fake squat. I already talked a little bit about the auto default for pounds and kilograms. RPE, something you might not know, is if you log something below 5.5, what it'll do is it'll do less than 5.5. That's because RPE isn't very useful below 5.5, so it just kind of sums it up there. Again, I'm going to accurately log my fake RPE of 8. And then in tags, you could tap the blue pill up there to get rid of your current tag. And again, we have some auto-filled suggestions down here of tags that you've used in the past. If I want to tap warm-up, belt, beltless, I can do that. You'll notice at the bottom there's a special tag called bug, and if you put that, it'll alert us to an issue that you've noticed with your rep. Let's say it didn't count all your reps for you, or there's a weird number that popped up, and that way we can look in our database and find issues. So I'm going to get rid of these, and again, just tag fake. So my set already ended. Now, you could also manually end sets. If I hit create new set up here, it'll create a new set for me, a blank set. You'll see this timer starting to go up. So this is our rest timer. A little bit different than our end set timer. This rest timer doesn't do anything. It just kind of records how long you've been resting. And if I hit another rep, it'll count 22 seconds. So that's how long between the 2 reps I just pulled. Now, I'm going to create another set and demonstrate how to record video. So we suggest recording video in the OpenBarbell app. The reason why is because in iOS and Android, there's backgrounding issues just native with their platforms, and so it can disconnect through Bluetooth if your phone's taking too much memory. So hit record video, and I'm going to record. And that way, you can make sure that the data you record in OpenBarbell gets sent to your phone while recording video. And then that video is always associated with your rep. Now, down here, if I go to a previous set, I can tap Add a Video Log. And I'll just log this, and this was a demonstration set. Again, that's always associated with that set. Now I'm going to show you how to delete and restore reps. So, in the beginning, just let's say, for example, this was a rep from me putting OpenBarbell onto the bar. So I can go in and I can delete that rep. Now that makes this whole set empty, so I can just delete the set as well. And in OpenBarbell, we don't ever delete data. So this shows the deleted set. You can always go back and restore it. And again, I can restore the rep. An alternative is I can just delete the set without deleting the rep. It'll do the same thing. Deleted set. In terms of ending workout, there's a couple ways to do it. So you can let the app do it for you. The app will auto end your workout after 2 hours. And that's because, again, by our estimate, after 2 hours, we can assume you're not currently working out. Otherwise, you can hit Finish Workout. And I can either take my survey now, take it later, and that'll send the data to your History tab. And that's how to do a workout with OpenBarbell.